Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. The latest Galaxy S26 series leak reveals Samsung's plans. First details on new accessories of the Samsung Galaxy S26 series lineup are revealed online. According to the latest available data, Samsung is preparing the Galaxy S26 Ultra lineup for a magnetic revolution. The series will receive QE2, faster wireless charging, and a new accessory ecosystem. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Samsung is currently preparing to launch the new Galaxy S26 series. Naturally, there will be a range of accessories available, and almost all covers and cases for the Galaxy S26, S26 Plus and S26 Ultra will include magnets for QI2 charging. We have the first details about the accessories. A recent leak has revealed an unexpected focus from Samsung in its upcoming Galaxy S26 lineup. The main changes concern accessories, not smartphones. For the first time, the company is seriously focusing on magnets and the QE2 standard, an area it had previously avoided. According to the well-known tech insider Roland Quandt reported that the Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, and S26 Ultra will receive full QI2 support. Furthermore, the S26 Ultra will offer 25 watts of wireless charging for the first time, a significant improvement over the 15 watts on the S25 series. Samsung is also revamping its accessory lineup. Magnetic clear, magnetic carbon, magnetic rugged, and magnetic silicon cases are in development for the S26, all with built-in magnets for securing compatible devices. Meanwhile, the company is developing a new magnetic power bank, which was spotted in the Wireless Power Consortium database, and a 25-watt QI2 charger, EPP2900, optimized for the new speed. The S26 Ultra will also receive another special accessory, a dual magnetic holder designed for models with the Bluetooth S Pen stylus. It combines the functions of a stand and a mount, targeting users who actively draw or take notes. For reference, Roland Quandt adds that the latest case will be sold in black and gray variants. Additionally, the dual magnet ring holder will be available for phones with a Bluetooth-compatible S Pen only for the Galaxy S26 and Galaxy S26 Ultra. The Galaxy S26, Galaxy S26 Plus, and Galaxy S26 Ultra are currently expected to launch simultaneously in late February 2026, with massive new upgrades and design changes. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.